Hi, welcome to day number 3 of our VLOGMAS Advent stockings. We have another stocking to make. It's my husband's birthday, so I want to pick some yarn that is representative of him and maybe something he likes. And because I want to make all of these stockings unique and different, I'm going to do something a little different. I think I'm going to go with the colors of one of his favorite sports teams, the Cincinnati Bengals. So maybe an orange and a black, put those together into a stocking for December 3rd. So let's go pick some yarn. I'm gonna go back there into the festive area. We've got a little Jack Skellington, actually a very large Jack Skellington back there, and our little elf on the shelf. So I'm going to go pick my yarn, sit back there, work up the stocking, and meet you back here so I can show you what it looks like. We'll package up some yarn to put into it, and we'll have our third stocking done for December 3rd. So let's go. Finished product. Here is our stocking for today. A nice orange, a nice black, very Bengals type colors. Really happy with this one. They all come out so cool. Like you could even make these maybe for Halloween or something. I don't know. Now I've got to put some yarn into it so I can open it next year. To make this even more unique, I decided I'm going to go with some purple because why not? I've got my tissue paper. We're going to wrap it up. Put it in the stocking, and we've got our Bengals stocking for December 3rd all done. Now I get to put it back here with all the other ones. Short, sweet, to the point, quick little stocking. Can't believe we were already through 3 days. Love these stockings for how quick they are, how easy they are, and how useful they are. If you're interested, I've got a tutorial for the stocking, and I'll link that down below in this video. So check that out. And until tomorrow, thanks for watching, everyone. Bye.